So now we're going to look at how we can comment on student learning or on whole class learning. So here is the assignment. We can either click it on here or we can go to classwork and click on the assignment and then view assignments. This will open up this window where we can see all the student learning. We can go to the instructions here and we can write a class comment and then we can send. That's now going to go to every student in the class because this is a class comment. Let's now go to a student view and see that comment. So over here, this is a student view. We can see here there is a class comment that's appeared in the stream. Let's click that class comment and you can see there is the comment that the teacher made. Now, as a student, we can reply to that. So now if we go back to the teacher, we can close this and you can see there that this particular student has actually asked a question. Now as a teacher, I can reply to this and notice it puts in the student email address. So, and then reply. And what will happen is because we have put the student email address, the student will also receive an email saying that they've had a reply for one of their comments. So let's go back to the student view. We can see 3 class comments, and even though it is to the student, because the student will get an email, it still goes to the whole class. Now, if we want to do a private message, let's go back to the teacher and we want to do a private message. So let's go to student work. And here's Bart Simpson here. This is my student. So let's click on that student and I can see at the bottom here, this is offering a private comment to that student. No other student will then see this comment. So let's put a comment in here and then send. Now let's go back to the student. Here's the student. Now it's obviously not going to appear here because it is a private comment. So let's go to classwork and let's click on the solar system and let's view the assignment. Now over here, we can see on the student view that there is one private comment. No other student can see that, so now the student can reply. That will go back to the teacher, and the teacher will then see that private comment on the student work. Now, the teacher has also got the ability to edit or delete any of these comments on here by clicking these 3 dots. That can also be done on the class comments. So class comments, I can click and edit them. If it's a student comment, I can also mute any further comments from that student if that student is putting something inappropriate into the comments.